How to sort Gmail by sender. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can sort Gmail by sender. If you want to find the specific message from a specific person on Gmail, then here's how you can do it. For that, you'll have to open your Chrome browser on your device. And once you are on the home page of the browser, here you can click on this inbox option or the Gmail option at the top right corner of the screen. And it will take you to your Gmail. Here make sure you are logged into your account. And now once you reach this page, here scroll down and find the message from the person you want to see emails from. Once you find the message you want to see the emails from, right click on the message, and when the drop down menu appears, at the bottom you will find Find Emails From option with a specific sender name. Go ahead and click on this option, and now you will see all the emails from that specific sender. Even if they are in the trash, you will be able to see all the messages or emails that you received from the specific sender. So in this way you can sort Gmail by sender. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.